let's stop taking the app redesigns and the nonprofit redesigns and the websites and all that stuff, and really let's go all in on this design system thing. And that paid off really well, both in terms of money, in terms of clients, in terms of notoriety and expertise and specialty and all that kind of stuff. And so really it's a thing that I'd been coaching other agency owners on, about niching and picking a position in the market that's very specific, all that stuff. And it's, I put my money where my mouth is if I keep telling other people this. So we did that and it went really well. And one of the things that I was learning through that was, for design systems in particular, those are things, for those people who don't know what that is, usually big enterprises do things one by one. Like, for example, every website they build is a one-off. Every app that they build is a one-off. And there's a much more efficient way to do it, which is to build a system that allows you to build all of those things together and change them all together. That's essentially what a design system is. And that takes a bunch of different forms, or can take a bunch of different forms. One of the things that I realized is that our clients were hiring us to make that for them as a deliverable. So we would do that. We would design it and build it, and then we would train them on it. We would say we would co-create with them, which we tried as to the best of our ability. But it's like the biggest metaphor that or analogy that I use for that is like, it's planting a plant indoors and then having to transplant it outdoors. Like, sometimes that works. Sometimes it's fine. You can repot
Right.
it, or you can plant it in water. And other times it's just, that's the thing that kills it, is the moving of it. And so
Mhm.
we were finding that more often than not is like, when we made it and then tried to transplant it to a thing in-house and then allow it to take roots there, it just didn't take, because of whatever, digital transformation and political culture and all that kind of stuff. Um, and what we found to be more fruitful was, if we trained the teams that we work with to build it on their own in-house, and we just applied our expertise there, it survived longer. And design systems are such a big investment that, for it to for you to work on it for a year and then it's defunct, it's just not worth the money.